Hey guys, it's Asheli from Not a True Reviews, and today I've got a little PR haul here. So these are just a few. There's like 3 items here, but I figured that's enough to, hey, make a video, right? Because it's fun, and it's all beauty items. So, first one is I think this is a sunscreen. This is from Marini, skincare. And like, since I told you guys, that's like my new kick, is like trying different sunscreens and like finding out about them. So like, I was like, ooh, I would love to try that. So they sent this over. I don't have any experience with this brand. So here it is. And I'm going to link down below to each of the items. I'm also going to be doing a full review on this, so expect that. They wrap it up real pretty. I love when skincare brands do this. It adds something. There's also a little pamphlet in here, Your Skin in the Sun, Marini Skin Research. I'm actually curious, too, to see what else is in their range. That is kind of exciting to me. I just want to see, especially if I like it. So, oh my gosh, Asheli, come on. So this is a broad spectrum SPF 33, water resistant, up to 80 minutes. I've been using a sunscreen. I'm finding that I don't like if it's tinted. Some sunscreens make me break out, and I really don't need any more of that in my life. So I'm just going to pass on that. So let's see if they have a retail price here. And I am going to link to them down below, but, oh, they don't have it here. Oops. Alright, so here's the box. It's pretty, like, just standard packaging. Whatever. Antioxidant daily face protectant. So I'm guessing it also has stuff that protects from free radicals, like things in the air that cause your skin to like react. And here's the package. It's super simple. I like that. So it will look nice on your nightstand and whatnot. So this is their step 5. So there are 4 steps before this. I'm actually curious. Is it sealed? It's super sealed. That's my own fault. All right. La la la, la la la. Okay, I don't want to put that in the box because I don't want it to make anything messy. Alright. Alright. So I'll put down below also the retail price because I don't know it off the top of my head. So it has just that yellowish color. And it has, oh, look how quick my skin absorbed it. I like that. See, that's another thing. It just has a mild, there is a fragrance. I want to say it's almost fruity, which is not common, but very nice. I actually really like that. So that is from Marini. Thank you, Marini. And I may even have a coupon code. I'm not sure. All right. So next we're going to move on to, this is an Asian skin. I'm actually really curious about this. This is going to be interesting. So this is a step 1. This is the Real Burial Control T-Spot Solution Mask. So, now, I don't know if this is going to be, see, there's 2 steps in here. It feels like a full sheet mask. And on the back, it shows a woman, or, hey, maybe that's a dude, I don't know, a human person applying a whole mask. So I don't know, a T-spot. So, and then maybe this step 2 is what I'm thinking. Oh, I have a cramp in my foot. Yikes! Ah! Okay. Maybe this step 2 is, but I can't read it. But, no, I can actually here. Oh, it just tells you the ingredients. It doesn't tell you, like, what we're going to do, and I haven't opened it yet. So, but I feel maybe like a little, like, there's something in here, like a liquid type. I don't know yet. Oh, no, here. Hold up. I just found it. It's here. After washing the face, tidy up skin texture. Open the number 1 part of the pouch and closely place the mask on the face while aligning with the eyes, nose, and lips. So this is definitely a fiber sheet mask. It's not cellulose or anything like that. So, and then after 20 minutes, remove the mask and gently tap the face to promote the absorption of the remaining essence into skin. So is this, I don't know. Is this just extra? But then, hold on, no. Oh, no, here. Yeah, okay, there are more steps. I'm like, I don't know why I can't read this like a human. After the complete absorption of essence into skin, take out the tea tree spot patch. There is a patch in here. I can't feel it though. It must be some, oh wait, is that it? I don't know, girl. I could sit here all day trying to feel something. Spot patch into the number 2 part of the pouch and place on blotchy, flared up skin areas. Hello, breakouts. And then when the center of the patch swells, remove the patch or replace with a new one if needed. Tip for intensive skincare, place the patch on the face before going to bed and remove the next morning. That's a really good idea. So I'm excited to try these. I think that might be nice. I'm also like, tea tree I know actually works. Like that's the thing, sometimes sheet masks, they're like, oh, the most you're going to get is moisturization. I disagree because with something like tea tree oil, I know that that's going to work. That's a product that works. So I'm excited for that. All right, finally, we have this box from Michael Todd Beauty. Remember that Sonic brush? I don't know what this is, actually. They have partnered with Macy's. Their line is available there now, which is awesome. I will link to that below. And I love their products, so let's see what's in here. And then I will be doing a full review on this as well. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, if I can open the box, I will. Okay. All right, so, and I'm trying to, like, because my address is on the top here, I'm trying to be very, like, meticulous about. Oh, Lord. Okay. They put a lot of packing tape on here. I was going to say shipping tape, packing tape, I guess. It would have never opened. There's no way. All right. Oh, yes. Okay, so this is their, did I cut my finger? I hope not. So look how cute these little boxes are from their PR team. I love them. All right, so they have included, over here is a Sonic Clear Sonic Infuser head. So this is like a, let's see. There's that. Let's see here. I feel like I'm getting a weird shadow today on my, because I don't have my light. Battery died. I'm going to get a new one. All right, let's see here. So this is like a massager, I guess. How the heck do I get it out? How do I get it out? Oh, there. Is that it? Girl, I don't even know. Oh! I don't know. But here it is. It's like a little, you see, little beaded massager. So then here's the actual item. So this is an $89. It's a facial cleanser. I've wanted one of these. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord, look at you. It has its own case for traveling. How nice. Oh, if I get, how do I open it? Oh my gosh, this is too much for me. It's too fancy, I think, maybe for me. Is it too fancy for me? Oh, what is going on? Am I just doing this wrong? Am I just doing it wrong? I should have opened it before I came on camera. I'm going to pause. Hold on. So apparently it just takes brute force and you can open it up. I was totally afraid I was going to break it, but it really just had to, like, I guess it has to be like broken in. So here's the case. I really love, look at this color. I think they come in other colors. I'm not sure though, but I love this color. Isn't this perfectly, beautifully pink? Now it has its own like charger thing here. What on earth is that? Look at that. Look at all these fancy bells and whistles. How does that work? I'm going to have to read it. So anyway, here's your brush head. You're going to, ooh, it's already ready. It's already charged, I should say, not ready. So here's, oh, you can change the intensity. So there's 1, 2. Okay, so this one's faster, but they do one at a time, so maybe, ooh, I don't know, I couldn't tell you. And then there's a power button. So it's pretty simple to use. There's not a whole lot to, like, no curves, or learning curve or whatever I should say. And then I like that the, like, I'm trying to get this on, like, come on, girl. There's holes in here so it can dry out properly. They also did, where am I? send, this is terrible, like what's going on with me today? I don't even know. They also sent a couple of their this is their facial mask, their nutrient pumpkin facial mask, moisturizes and nourishes. And then there is this honey and oat gentle daily cleanser. So this is what you probably put on your face and then get this all. I just have a problem like getting all my makeup off. Like, do you have that problem? Like, I do have a regular like one of those rags that like exfoliates, but I just don't want all that exfoliation. I just want something that's gentle but will also go in and get all my makeup off. You see what I'm saying? So I'm super excited for this. I cannot wait to use it. So that is everything in my little PR haul here today. I hope you guys like this video. It also has a full pamphlet, by the way, of instructions in case you need those. I'm super pumped to try everything out. Let me know what you guys think down below. I'm going to be linking to each of these products. I'll also be linking to my full reviews. I will also link to anything else I can think link you guys to. I hope you guys are having a great Easter weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much. I'll see you next time.